In this video, we're going to explore how you can empty an array in JavaScript. And this video will be very short as it's quite straightforward, although there are some slightly tricks in here. So before I even start, if you want to learn about Chart.JS, check out my Chart.JS course on Udemy. You can see the link in the description box below. Alright, so how do we do this? Or how do we create an array or empty an array once it has been assigned? So let's say we create a constant here, and we say here we have products, and in this product list here we have milk, chicken, eggs, tomatoes, and finally we have cheese. Alright, we have this. So how do we assign, or how do we empty it? So you might say, well, we can just say here products equals this empty. And if we do this, we can say here, well, we can create here above a const console.log, and in here we say products. And then what we do as well is here below we say product. But you will see that we will get an error here. And the main reason for this is we are using const here, so we are assigning it here. It's not allowed. If we refresh here, open this up, you can see here type error assignment to constant variable. This is not allowed, so it protects us. So we have an issue here. So how can we do this? Well, we can do it another way. We can play around with it by using the length option here. We say length. So let's say here we have the console log length. And this we will just comment out. Let's save this and refresh. And once we refresh this, you can see we have a length of 5, indicating there's 5 elements. So what happened now, if we just do exactly this, we say here, products, and then we say the length equals 0, forcing it to become 0. And once we do that, and then we have our console log here, you will see that this will work nicely. As you can see here now, we have here our array, we see 5, and then we assign 0, and then what happened, this is now, once we assign the product length of 0, basically we empty it. Once we empty it, there's no values in here anymore, and our array has become 0 as well. Then you can start to add up our values in here. So let's say here we do product push, and although we want to push, we're going to push. Let's say it's new product, and that will be let's say meat. Alright, so we save this, put in here. Nope, product is not defined. Of course we have to do product, sorry, push and on meat. And then of course, sorry, we need to make sure that we have this new one here. Save this, refresh. And now you can see here this is 0, and then we assign the meat, and then once we assign the meat has been showed up here. And this is basically how you can empty an array in JavaScript. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel where we cover many different questions consistently. And if you have any questions regarding to JavaScript, put them in the comment section below and I'll make sure I get back to you.